Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to be talking about what to do on the Utopia of the Seas, or we must say the must-dos, being it's the second largest cruise ship in the world. To those new to our channel, we are Scott and Sheds, and we do continuous cruise content. Let's start with Royal Railway at Utopia Station. This is exclusively available only at Utopia of the Seas. It's an interactive dinner experience where you are riding a train inside a cruise ship, and this train is traveling to the Wild Wild West. Another exclusive only at Utopia of the Seas is Pesky Parrot. It is a brand new tiki bar offering fruity frozen drinks. And this one is located at Royal Promenade. Another restaurant to try and must do at Utopia is the Mason Jar Restaurant and Bar. It is the newest specialty restaurant at Utopia, highlighting Southern cuisine. And adjacent to the restaurant is the bar where they play live music every night and they offer amazing drinks. Moving along, you have to try Izumi in the park. It is located in the Central Park where it features quick stop food that complements Izumi restaurants.
No one knows, but I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down.
If you're up for some thrill activities, you should try the Ultimate Abyss. There is no cost to ride the Ultimate Abyss. It is a 10-story dry slide and it is the longest dry slide at sea. It is from deck 16 all the way down to deck 6, exiting the boardwalk. And for a more unique and fun experience, try mini golf at night. The entire nautical theme course lights up to a very colorful environment. And also, you can bring your own glow-in-the-dark golf balls.
In open water, let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away.
And for entertainment, we have Aqua 82. It is held at the Aqua Theater every night, and our advice is you must reserve it in advance. It features acrobatics in the water, high dives, and it involves a lot of songs in the 80s. It is such an amazing and energetic show to watch. another entertainment that you can enjoy at Utopia is called the All In. It's not quite Broadway musical, but it's a very high-tech production in the main theater, and it features synchronized drones. Next one is the ice skating show. It is another show to watch and a must-do, especially at Utopia of the Seas. We believe it is one of the best ice skating shows in the Royal Caribbean fleet. It involves a lot of props, very colorful outfits with some acrobatics as well.
Okay guys, next up that you have to check out on Utopia of the Seas is Central Park. It's located on deck 8 and it's got live plants on a cruise ship. Here they have most of the specialty restaurants, and one included option is Central Park Cafe. You grab some snacks right there, free of charge. Also has some live music in the evening and the Trellis Bar, which is great for a pre or post dinner cocktail.
I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wonder we were always gonna last. Yeah.
Okay guys, for my party people, because this is the world's biggest weekend, got quite a few late night parties. You got the red party where they have the entire room in red light and you can dance your booty off. They have the yoga silent disco where you dress up in a toga. They even teach you how to do it. And then you have the Royal Cap Kai where you can act like you're back in college at your fraternity or sorority playing beer pong. Alright, so those are the things that you must do on Utopia of the Seas, the world's biggest weekend. If you like this video, got some good information out of it, go ahead, hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. Scott and Sheds, we post continuous cruise content. That way, you know when we're going to post it. But until I see you on ship, happy cruising, guys.
Maybe we got too high. Yeah.